Greetings, everyone. A hearty thanks to all our viewers and subscribers tuning in today. Your unwavering support and active engagement truly shape the heart of our content. It's your curiosity and thirst for knowledge that inspire us to dig deeper, to question, to explore. For those of you joining us for the first time, we extend a warm welcome. Consider subscribing and sharing our videos to join this vibrant community. Your support fuels our passion to deliver insightful and engaging content. Now let's delve into today's exciting topic. In the ever-changing business landscape, one strategy remains timeless: understanding supply and demand. Now let's break this down into simple, unpretentious terms. Imagine you're at a bustling market where stands teem with ripe, colourful fruits. The vendor with the juiciest apples attracts the most customers. This is demand, the desire of consumers to buy goods or services. Now, if that vendor only has a few apples left, those apples become more valuable. People are willing to pay more to get their hands on them. This is supply, the quantity of a product or service that the market can offer. In the world of business, the principle is the same. The balance of supply and demand is the driving force behind prices and profitability. The scarcity of a product or service increases its value, while abundance can lead to lower prices to stimulate demand. Now, let's bring this into the context of 2024. In this digital age, supply and demand take on new dimensions. Consider the online streaming industry, for instance. There's a high demand for quality content. Streaming platforms that can supply this become market leaders. Think of the success of companies like Netflix or Hulu. But it's not just about having what consumers want. It's about anticipating their needs and staying one step ahead. Businesses that can predict and respond to changes in demand are the ones that thrive. This requires innovative thinking, market research, and a keen understanding of consumer behavior. And in 2024, as technology continues to evolve, so do consumers' needs and desires. Businesses that can adapt their supply to meet these shifting demands will be the ones to succeed. They'll be the vendor with the juiciest apples in the market, attracting the most customers and driving their business forward. As we navigate through 2024, grasping the dynamics of supply and demand becomes more crucial than ever for businesses. That was a quick but comprehensive look at the only strategy you need in 2024: supply and demand. So we've demystified the crucial concepts of supply and demand and how they form the backbone of any successful business. In essence, the understanding of these dynamics is the key to unlocking untapped potentials and opportunities. Remember, the key to thriving in 2024 lies in mastering the simple but powerful strategy of supply and demand. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed.